Hi everyone, welcome back. It's so good to be back. I know I've been gone for a week. School was just really hectic. I had a test and everything, but thank you for sticking it out with me. Today I'm going to be creating a really simple look. So we have only two colors on the eyelid and then my normal face routine. If you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on. I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and I'm using my Super Stay Primer by Maybelline. I know it's really dirty. I don't know how it got like that, but anyways, ascolapho because wow, I'm saying as long as the product inside does the things, then I'm good. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I have gone back to pencil, guys. I'm sorry. I just felt like my eyebrows were a bit too dark with the powder, so I went back to my Essence Eyebrow Designer, and this is in 02. I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is Warm Honey. So I'm going to be applying this yellow eyeshadow, and it is by HD. That's what it says. It says NK HD eyeshadow. So it was on sale. It was like what, 13 rand, and I wanted to try it out and see if it's really pigmented. So I'm gonna use this flat brush here, and then I'm just gonna pack it onto the eye. And let's see if there's any color payoff. So nothing's showing, like nothing's showing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my NYX Conceal Correct Contour, take this, apply it all over the lid, maybe it will show up. So as you can see, when I pick it up with my hand, the color is quite pigmented, which is great. So now I'm going to go over with the brown from the Essence Shape Your Face contouring palette. So I'm going to take this and just put it in the crease. I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush palette and take this color and put it in the crease as well. I'm gonna apply lashes from Eyeshadow, and this is the collaboration with Jordan Woods, which is LA Baby. I applied my lashes off camera, and I also used mascara. I used my MAC extended play lash, so I just used it underneath the eyes. So now I'm going to use my Revlon Color Change Liquid Illuminator, and I'm going to put it on the high points of my face. I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and this is in the shade Nutmeg. So usually I just squirt out 2 pumps. So this foundation, it's a very full coverage. It's beautiful. It has a skin-like finish, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. For concealer, I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer. Actually, I haven't used this in a while, so I thought, let me bring it out. I'm going to be contouring with the Makeup Revolution contour palette. Please excuse the light. I'm using natural lighting, so if you see it going darker and lighter, yeah, can't control that, guys, sorry. So the same palette has blush and highlighter, so I'm just going to use these two. Last but not least, the lips. I'm going to be taking the eyebrow pencil that I used, combined with my MAC lipstick, which is Velvet Teddy, and a gloss to top it all off. Okay, we are done. To set the face, I'm using my Maybelline Lasting Fix. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you see, it was a really simple look, and if you created, let me know in the comment section down below. If you posted, tag me on Instagram. I really had fun doing this look. It's my first time doing a yellow look, so I'm quite happy as well. Before I close out the video, our subscriber for the week goes to Keanu Elizio. I hope I pronounced your surname correctly, but thank you so much for your support. If you guys would like to do the same, please hit the red button. It says subscribe. Hit the bell next to it. While you're at it, you will be notified of every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for your support. I love you guys. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup.